Good evening, everyone. So, before we proceed to our demonstration of Caesar Cipher, so let me introduce to you my name and also my members. So, I am Regino Moy together with my companion, which is
Brian Ian
Mark.
Litanon.
Jaquelo de la Cruz.
So, before we proceed, so let me present my share screen to share to you the um, um, Rodrigo, dito.
Ano to? Kasi dumutan ako sa picture nila. Ano?
Ay, ah, so kita niyo, visible ako,
Yes. Possible
okay.
tayo.
So, now let's proceed to Jupiter. So I have here the Jupiter already. So before I demonstrate the simple code of Caesar cipher. So um, let me give you a short explanation about the Caesar cipher. So everyone, as a Caesar cipher is a type of substitutional substitution cipher in which each letter in the plain text is shifted a certain number of a place down or up the alphabet. So the cipher is named from the Julius Caesar, who reportedly used so encryption. So when we say encryption, it was to encrypt a message using a Caesar cipher. So each letter in this plain text is shifted by a fixed number of position down the alphabet. For an example of this, with a shifted of three, example A become D. So when we say A become D, why it was shifted of three. So um, let's remember shifted of three. So it was start from A. So from A, um, count A. No, count B to D. So shifted up three. So let's A. So after the A, count B is one, then two is C, then three is D. So that is the purpose of the shift of three. So in this description, so a decryption although so involves shifting each letter is
Excuse me, Mr. Lumoy. I ask question.
yes helps me.
Hindi na ka makaroon ng di-share na info
Um
sa investigate ng storya.
so
Pati sa akin.
so okay, so at that part, so when we say shifted, it was before the exactly I'll speak in Tagalog. So magsisimula tayo sa A. So when we start from A, then at the second part, mo tayo count 3. So encryption shift. So it was magsimula tayo sa B. So for example that I said before. So I said that A becomes D. So
Excuse me, again, Mr. Lumoy. May tanong ako sa'yo.
okay, sige.
Hindi kasi namin nakita yung sinishare mong tsaka yung mga sinasabi mo. Ah,
In,
so lang okay.
so at this
Na-explain ko
okay
po ba?
okay okay. So at this point, I'll show you the shift how I did that A become D. So at this point, I'll show you from A. Wait, I caps lock it to so A, then I said become D. So A, B,
Wala.
C, D. So at this point, as you can see, you can see my
Excuse me, Mr. Namuay. Again, hindi namin makita yung ano yung pinapakita mo or sinasabi mo kasi hindi namin nakita sa screen.
so I'm not visible at your monitor. Or your,
Your screen has not visible on my screen.
so
Ha?
I'll check.
Kami na mag-signal.
Stop or something. Now what? Visible na ba ako?
Yes.
At this point.
Nakikita namin. Yes, nakikita namin. Pero yung I think sa IDE mo is hindi mo papapapos-screen.
Dito. Okay,
Nakikita namin is yung Gmeet
only
lang.
may... Ha?
Yes, yung Gmeet lang nakikita namin. Yun.
Okay, sorry.
I think hindi ka entire screen.
Sorry. So, let's stop muna sa presenting. So, do... Wait. Entire screen. Okay, so, I think this one. So, I'm now visible now.
Yes.
So, proceed for the next part. Sa ating so,
Wala.
visible na.
Yes, continue please.
So, as you can see here, I have here the ABC. So, I said before that it was shifted by 3 of 3, I mean. So, A becomes D. So, at this point, I have here the examples. I have here the alphabet from A to D. So, as you can see at my, what they call it, cursor, I don't know, at my mouse, as you can see, I have here. Did you get it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, please.
So in my point is I have here A. So how it comes encryption. So when we say encryptions, it was counting to write. Not I mean magsisimula tayo sa pag when we what we call it start counting to write. So as shift 3, what I said earlier is mag-count tayo counting to write. Okay, did you get it? Okay.
Yes.
So at this point I have okay. So at this point I have here ABC. So we're using only shift of 3. So when we say shift of 3, we are counting stop by 3. So now I repeated multiple times. So how A becomes B using the encryption. So when we say encryption, we started B. So when we say B, so we count right side. So as you can see here, a right side. So A, we start from A, then when we say, then we start count at B. Did you get it? So BCD. So BCD is an encryption. So it was shipped by 3. Did you get it? So encryption is counting at right side. So and this part is the description. So when we say description, description involves shifting each letter in the hypertext in the opposite direction of the encryption. So when we say opposite, it was opposite siya sa encryption sa decryption. So at this point, for an example, it is shift of 3 become A. So it says from example from the encryption. So at this point, I'm to wait. So at this point, I'm going to show you how I don't know if you get it, the point of opposite direction. So to demonstrate how the decryption work. So decryption is A, then C, D. So at this point, D, C. So at this point, decryption is the opposite direction, opposite direction of the encryption. So opposite direction when we say D to become A, so it was shifted by 3. So when we say D, then shall we start? The D is not counted by shifted of 3. So D is the I think exception of the count. So when we say D, from next alphabet will also when then you will count 1, 2, 3. So as I said, it was an opposite direction. It was going to left side. So from D is not counted there yet. It's because we um according to the ciphers, Caesar cipher, I mean. So it was D, then we count at left side, start from C. So how D become A? So C is 1, B is 2, then C is 3. So at this point, um, I'm going to demonstrate a simple code of how it works from how it works. This is how it works um, to our ID, which is the Jupiter. So at this point, um, we need to input here the function uh, function function of our Caesar cipher. So we have a div and we name it okay, Caesar. I'm not sure from the spelling, but I'll try cipher. So sorry. Um, just tell me if I'm not visible at your screen. So I think it caused sa ating data. At this point, it was this point this defines the function name which is Caesar cipher. So that takes two parameters, and the parameters at this one, as you can see inside of close and open parentheses. So at this point we have a text. The text is to be the encrypted, as I said earlier. Then the shift in. So the shift is the amount by which letter should be shifted. So let's proceed. And then let's see the symbol function. Sorry, it's mass function of keyboard. So I'm going to wait for a second. So we put this keyboard. So we for the malfunction key. So sorry for that. So how shall we proceed? Okay, now So double. I'm not sure where it is. Page page. Yeah, wait. Sorry for that. Then, so at this point, it was an initialize an empty string. So it was an at this point, I mean this inside of the double quote is to store the encrypted text. So, continue. So, as so, and it was an iterates over the each character to input into and at this part. So proceed for the next. Sorry for the code because I'm not feeling well at this point. Uh, So at this point, in this shift amount area is the calculation area, which is amount of taking 26% of the input shift value. So this ensures that the shift amount stay within the range of 25. So proceed. double check it. File code is
Minta na ka sa J ba?
wait. Let me see. Wait. So in this case, so if the current character is lowercase, so it is encrypted by converting the character to its ARG value using the ORD character. So as you can see here, the encrypted character is we at this encrypted character is um it was lowercase for at this part. So if wait. So or else the encrypted character is um so so it was allowing to get the converting C2 of the arcade. So let me see. So okay. I see. So if the current character is not an alphabet letter, it remains unchanged. So proceed for the updating encrypted text. check if there's miss interpret. So, so at this part, it was returns that encrypted text. Um, and there's no for the sets of examples. It takes resume y set of 3 plus shape of 3 set of 3% of I use the shift
Also kung
by so this is what happens if I didn't see the so I will check if so, as you can see here, I have here the sets of example here. Oh wait. Okay, here. So it calls the Caesar function at this part is a function of the name of our sample, which is a Caesar cipher. Caesar. I miss Caesar here. Caesar. Caesar cipher. So I should go so Caesar cipher. So here this is my example. I hope that there's no error. And let me check it first. So we're going to run it. Okay, it was error, so we put okay, so was so in debugging, and we will check what's my request. Wait a minute. Wait. Okay. It's fine.
Excuse me, Mr. Muay.
Yes.
I think, kung spelling ka sa encrypted mo, tignan mo yung sa taas at saka sa baba. Yung sa F, encrypted ka sa...
What is what? Ay, sa taas, no? Sorry. So, wait. I'll check. Sorry for the
Yun ang takot. Tingnan na ako na. Uy, man. Ay.
encrypted. It was an I. Encrypted. Grabe. Wait. So I'm trying to add it. Grabe.
Naisa.
Rose penny. Well, let's try this again. What's wrong with my phone? Did I forget some impulse?
Ang sa kanila yung ginagaro. Mali nga sa pinangan. Naiti. Ang sa kanila sa pinangan. Ang sa kanila yun.
Wait, let's see. This one.
Mali, di ba? Ang sa kanila yung gani. Line.
Alphabet. It's an alpha. Alphabet.
Line 12?
Wait.
Mr. Lumuay,
Yes.
I think sa baba ng DFC or zipper mo yung identification sa taas no, sa taas. I think nakita mo ba yung pangalan ng Caesar
Yan ako
zipper?
kanina.
Yung identifier mo.
Yan, gumanyan yan.
Kita mo yung kulay blue sa taas. Sa baba niya, nakikita mo ba yung encrypt text? Sa baba. I think ang pangalan niya ng hindi yan I think encrypted.
Okay.
Yes.
So,
Mr. Lumuay,
yes.
I think sa line 12 mo, yung spelling mo ng encrypt may T kasi pagkatapos ng Y.
Sa line?
Line 12.
Line 12. Line 12.
Yung encrypted,
Saan yung part dito? Encrypted.
ha?
Line 12?
Sa
Yan.
taas ng region mo ay. Yan.
What?
Yan.
Lagi din.
Sa taas na region mo ay.
Saan ganing nga line by visit?
Then,
Sa kita ka na ba?
Which part?
Diyan sa else. Diyan sa else, sa center ng else, yung encrypted text. Yan. Sa
Diyan.
encrypted. Yan.
I think it's...
Oh my God. Good.
So,
Nagkatawa.
wait. So, let us check it. Random. Okay. So, wait. Let's try to, if there's a misplace or wait. Not this part. Nothing's happened, so let's try to see that. Wait. Check natin yung spacing. Oh. Ayun natin to. Kamulan. Pero lang yung stealing. Tingnan natin to. Ito yung problema dito.
Excuse me,
Okay.
I think sa tingin ko, nalagyan ng 2 yung ship. Tama ba? Or mali? Sa taas? Sa taas.
Okay.
Dagdagan.
Okay, resume. So, encrypted text. So,
ang problema mo was yung UI, andyan lang pa is tignan mo yung sa S3 yung ikadalawa sa galing sa taas.
Okay. So let's double check it. Let's that's not much. Any output much. Mm. String. Yun, yun lang, as I said. Most important, spacing. Huwag kang magkakamali sa spacing. So at this point,
Spacing yun dyan.
so at this point, I am visible and hearable.
Yes, boss. Kinabahan ako dun. Isang pagkakamali lang, tumba agad.
Kaya nga, ingat sa spacing. So at this point, as you can see here, the text is Regine Y. So we have here the UHG, GHL, or and ORT, RDB. So paano ko po siya nakuha? So as you can see, as as I said earlier that it was an alphabetical. So as you can remember, as I said, it was going right side of the encrypted. So as you can see, U, the from start R, then as you can see, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U. So that's why the output here is U, and H is from this letter E, because from E E B C E F G H, kaya po siya H dyan. It's because of shift 3. So same lang po yan sa E. So H din po ang ini-sagot niya kasi po it was started at E. So same lang po yan dyan sa lumuway din po dyan. L, so L, M, N, O. Kaya po siya naging O dyan. So proceed po tayo sa problem 2, which is discuss or demonstrate by Ian Litanon. So Ian Litanon, you may proceed. Wait a minute.
Yes, boss. Yes, boss, tumuhay. Nag-share pa ako ng screen ngayon. Wait lang po. My screen are visible to you guys.
Yes.
Yes, I am.
Wait. Can you see my screen on my IDE editor?
Yes, clear as water.
So now I demonstrate my code about my problem 2, and then now this statement calculate final And then sa loob nito ito yung nagsisilbing identify ng yung calculate ng grade. At saka sa loob ay maglalagay tayo ng function. Ito ay isang arguments. Ito yung attendance. Yan. Tsaka quiz. Security by comma po ito. And then, lagyan natin ng task performance. Then colon, and then sa baba ay ito yung ito yung weights, yung nasisilbi yung dictionary. Wait lang, type natin weights equal lagyan ng curvaces. And then sa baba lalagyan natin ng mga laman ng weights. Ito yung mga component ng final grade. Yan, lagyan natin attendance, yung sa taas lagyan natin yun. Wait lang, yung spelling, attendance, tsaka lagyan natin ng single quote, tsaka lagyan natin ng colon, lang, spacing, colon, tsaka 0.2, tsaka comma, and then sa baba, yan, yung quizzes, yan, okay lang yan, tsaka quizzes, yan. Lagyan natin na yan. Saka lagyan natin ng 0.5. Lagyan natin ng tama. And then sa baba, yung task performance. Yan. Parehas lang yan. Yan. Lang. Then, colon. Space ay 0.3. Yan. And then, dito is sa baba, try natin i-close. Yan. Ito yung partner sa taas. Ito yung open, saka ito yung close. At saka sa baba, lagyan natin ng ito pala yung tinatawag na weight dictionary. Ito yung nasisilbing dictionary ito. Yun. May mga tinatawag na float tayo sa ating data types. Yan. Yung 0.3 yan. Tsaka sa baba naman maglalagay tayo ng weight score. Type natin weight spelling. Yeah. Okay, the score equal. Yan, lagyan natin ng open, saka sa baba lagyan natin ng colon, and then tignan natin yung sa taas. And then double check kasi baka mayroong spelling. Then yeah, lagyan natin ng colon, and space, and then select, and then ito yung times, ito yung multiplication na sign. And then, lagyan natin ng weight. Wait. Lagyan natin ng S. And then, lagyan natin ng square bracket. Single quote. Then, balik natin yung attendance. Okay, yan. Close natin. And then, may comma yan. Separated by comma yan. Copy lang natin to para dali lang. Yan. Copy natin yan. Yan. Kasi, taas na. C. Yan. Baba para masyadong mataas. Lagyan natin ito ng quizzes. Yan. Tignan nyo ito taas. Nandiyan yung identifier natin. O ito yung mga elements na, tatlong elements na ating susundan. Saka dito, yun, pareho lang. Copy lang natin to. Yan. Kasi, nagugutom na ako. And yan. Lagyan natin ng space. Spaces. Punan natin ng isang space yan. And then, ito, okay lang yan. Diyan lang yan. Di natin yan. Then, is na natin ulit. Yan. Tapos, close natin. Lagyan natin ng comma ulit. Yan. Saka enter. Saka, copy lang natin to. Yan. Saka, baba. Control D. Yan. Tapos, lagyan natin ng task. Yan. Performance. Saka, ito, buray natin yan. Kasi, talagay natin dyan. Si task. Performance. Yan. Baka may sobrang space. Yan. Ito, sobra to. Pura natin isa. Yan. Then, yung weight, hindi na natin yan kukunin dyan. Ito na lang. Si quizzes. Kasi papalitan natin yan ng yun, pareho rin. Yan. And then, kunin ko natin kama. Kasi wala na tayong puno dyan. So, sa baba, so since nag-open tayo ng curly braces sa taas, meron ding close curly braces. Yan. May sobra. So, yun. Yan. Sa baba, final. Yun. Yung final grade. Sa taas.
Ay, related na siya nila.
Final grade. Equals. So, yung sum. Then, lagyan natin ng weighted. Yan. Score. That value. Lang. Then, final value. Ito yung final grade na sum, which ito yung each component is ito yung sisibing nag-guide ng mga final grade. Yun, dito niya kinukuha sa weighted underscore scores dot values. Yan. Then sa baba naman, maglalagay tayo ng remark. Yun, remark equals, ito yung magpiprint tayo ng pass. Yan. Dapat pareho yan kasi string yan. So, maglalagay tayo ng conditional statement if final grade Tapos, 75. Kung pasado ba daw siya. Yan. Then, lagyan natin ng else. Additional condition statement. Yan. If kung hindi siya nakapasa. Yan. Failed. Yan. Lagyan natin ng double quote kasi string. And then, sa baba, mag-print tayo ng yan. Ito yung output. Makikita natin sa output. Sa baba, final, grade. Lagyan natin ng colon, tsaka open and close. Yan. Done. Lagyan natin. Okay, ako. Final, grade. Lagyan natin ng close. Yan. Lagyan ng close. Yan. Tsaka, double quote. Yan. Tsaka, lagyan ng print. Ulit. Yan. Copy na natin ito kasi pareho lang sila. Taas na medyo. Yan. Yan. Tapos, lagyan ito ng remark. Remark. Yan. Remark. Ito naman ay balikan natin ang remark. Yan. Tignan natin, baka may sobra, may kulang. Yan. Tapos, ito yung nagsisilbing output. Pagkatapos, ito yung makikita natin sa output mamaya. Yan. Ito yung makikita natin sa output mamaya sa baba na. So, ngayon, ito yung magre-return tayo yung grado niya. Sample 75. Ilalagay niya sa baba yung 75. Yan. Hindi natin lagay ito pero lagay lang natin. Return final grade. Yan. Tapos niyan, lagay tayo ng example sa baba. Attendance, score. Yan. Was 90. Quizzes. Yan. Score was 80. And then pass underscore performance. Yan. And then score. And then equals 70. Yan. And then calculate final underscore grade. And then yan. Yung attendance, mawawala yan. Attendance. Yan. Underscore score. Saka lagyan natin ng tama. Quizzes. Underscore score. Yan. Tama ulit. Kasi si PPB kama yan. Lagyan natin ng space. Yan. Masubra. Yan. Score. Performance. Yan. And then, score. Saka, lagyan natin ng close. Parenthesis. Yan. Ito nga palang sa last, ito yung nagpo-function. Example, sa mga scores o mga quiz o sa mga performance is nagpo-function. Ito yung nagka-calculate ng grado. Yun. Naglagay ako dito ng 90, 80, 70 sa kanilang attendance, score, quizzes. Yan. And then, yun, try natin i-run. Jakito.
May tanong lang ako, Ayan Lumuay. Ay, Litanon. Sorry.
Yes.
Sorry.
It's okay. Sige.
Okay.
Ano yun?
Okay. What is the purpose of the compute final grade function?
Ano?
What is the purpose of the compute final grade function.
Saan dito?
Sorry, Day. Anong purpose sa pag-compute ng final grade?
Ang purpose dito is para makita yung final grade niya.
Mura ni Day.
Example, ito sa taas, yung attendance, saka yung quizzes, saka yung task performance. Calculate niya yan. Yan. Tignan mo, itong function nito sa taas, yung attendance, magka-calculate yan. Para pag sa halong-halong makita niya yung final output ng grade ng estudyante. So yun.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Then, may tanong ka pa?
Wala na, that's all.
Okay, try natin itong run. Yan. Okay. May error. Wait lang. May attendance is not defined.
Hindi na ako magkaroon.
May attendance. Wait lang. Tingnan natin. Kasi parang may kulang. Daming error. Kasi line 1 and attendance quizzes, task performance. Try natin ito. Yan. Para one line of code lang. Try natin. Then, weighted score. Score lang. Dito. Try natin to. Try natin para malinis. Kasi hindi ko makita yung mali. Yan, para one line of code lang. Mali dito. Lagyan ito ng space. Yan. Close siya dito. Final grade. Some weighted scores that values. Remark was passed. If final grade as a is failed. Hanapin lang natin yung error kasi hindi ko makita yung error. And then sa final grade, some weighted score that values. Remark. Pass. Print. Save natin. Try natin. Error naman. Ano kung nagulang dito? 1, 2, 3, 4. Daming error Attendance. Weights. Quizzes. Quizzes. Tama. Past performance. Tama. Past performance. Past performance times weight. Past performance. Di bang mali dito? Big Mike. Tama naman. Try natin i-run ulit. Save. Yun. If calculate this performance. Bakit nag-i-error yan? Who is this? Who is this? Past performance. Weights. Lagi natin sa baba. So, ngayon, I think sa spacing yung mali ko. In-arrange ko. And then, may kulang pa to. So, hanapin ko yung error dito. And then, ngayon, dito yan. Saka, yung final grade. Yan. And then, yung remark. So, yan. Yung return. Yan. Dapat yan. Kasi daming error kasi spacing lang. Yan. Tignan natin. Kasi maraming error. Then yan. Try natin save. Final grade sum weight score. Yan. Final grade sum weights. Sum weight. All colors values. Nag-iwala naman. Kung pagkakamali lang. Try natin save. Line 15 is sum. Tignan natin. Final grade equals sum weighted scores that values. Diba mali dito? Taasin na natin. Lang kita. Dito pala yan. Dito pala siya. Yan. Saka ito. Yan. Yan, try natin. Yan. And then, sa taas. Balik natin ito. Save natin. Oh, yun pa rin. Sa final grade. Try natin. Iba pa rin. Ayaw mabas na. May mali. Wow. So, ayun, nakita ko na yung error ko kasi spacing lang. Yung side dito, napataas ko. So, ngayon, try natin i-run to. Save lang natin. So, ito na po yung output niya. Ito yung final grade. So, ito ay pass. Yan. Kasi 75 yung pinakamataas dito. So, more than 75 to. So, kaya pass. And if kung else naman failed if mas mababa sa 75. Example, 74 or 73 pababa. And then, ito namang return final grade. Ito yung output na to. Ito yung nagsisilbing ibinalik na yung final grade na 79. Then, done. So, yun lang po sa aking problem 2. And then back to Dumuay, Reggie.
So I think that's all. So at this point, we're going to end this meeting by demonstrating those codes and what are the function of the what are the encrypted, if I'm not mistaken, and also I think this is the end of our meeting. So everyone will now take some rest. So if there's anyone and have a question, you can ask now.
Nasa par.
So as we experience about our demonstration, the idea that we use is so sensitive, and even in space it can run. So it might next if we were going to demonstrate, we're going to careful of spacing. So I think that's all, and let's end this meeting. So good evening, everyone.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's 2 a.m. in the morning. In the morning already. So
Bye guys.
goodbye.
Bye.